Learning Commons. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, quick, and nutritious recipe. Today I will teach you how to make the salsa, and these are the ingredients: an onion, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, cilantro, limes, about 2 to 3 depending on how you like it, and jalapenos, 1 if you like it not that spicy, but if you like to live in a dangerous line, make it 2. I'm going to cut the onions in quarters and the tomatoes. This is going to be really delicious. Limes and the jalapenos. You're going to put everything in a blender. 4 to 6 sprigs of cilantro to make it taste really good, and the juice of the limes. Then you take it to the blender and you go pulse it till you have reached that desired consistency. You're going to pour it. Smells delicious and fresh, and you will enjoy with your family and friends. Don't forget to visit the Learning Resources website.